Sorry guys, my video got cut off, but I'm right where I am. Someone just tried to call me, so it canceled my video. So I'm just gonna twist that, but I'm in the same spot. And then right now I'm just fluffing it up. So I'm just like crunching them just to fill in the spaces, just to put them all together so it looks nice and pretty. So once you finish, this mesh sometimes at the ends kind of fray. I just go around, I pull some like extra pieces, or like if I see like a piece like this, I just cut it off just to make it look a little bit nicer. There's some flyaway pieces. I'm not gonna go too crazy right now, but if you just see some pieces, let me move you guys down a little bit. So I just see some random pieces sticking out that are unflattering that I don't want to see, and just clean it up a little bit. You might have stuff all over your lap, so make sure you do this in an area where you can clean. So I'm not going to go crazy right now and clean up the sides. I just wanted to show you, just pick out the sides and everything that you see. So we're going to flip it over. This is an optional step. I do it because it makes the back look a lot cleaner. But as you can see, these pieces are all like high off the ring, and they kind of look messy when they're all like that. And over here, they're a little bit neater because I folded them. So I'm going to show you. To make it cleaner, this is an optional step. You don't have to do it. Give you guys a back a little bit. So with the pieces, I just fold these pipe cleaners in twos, just down. So I just fold them, just so they're not so pointy. So I'm just pushing the tip down, basically. You can just take the tip and push it down, just so it's not so pointy, so if you touch it, it doesn't like stab your hand or whatnot. So I just do that real quick. I fold it like a little bit on the top, and then I fold it again into twos, but you can just take the top and just fold it once down, and I just push it down. It makes it look a lot neater in the back, and it helps you not poke yourself. So in your bags, I also put some flowers in there. I'm sorry I couldn't find a lot of spring decorations because Memorial Day passed, so everything's all like 4th of July stuff, or all the spring stuff is gone because once COVID started, everyone's crafting a lot, so a lot of people took all the spring stuff. So I just folded all those real quick. And then you pick, if you have any stuff at home, you can add it. You can add like a spring side in the middle, and I'll show you how to do it with the flowers. So I gave you guys some white pipe cleaners and some flowers. So you're gonna take, I already glued these ones down so I can show you how to put them in there. But basically, you take the white pipe cleaner and the flower, you put a little bit of glue right at the tip of that, and you stick it, there's like a little hole right there, you just put it right in there, and they fit right in there. And then you just let them dry. You can use hot glue, you can use regular super glue. If you don't have any type of glue, you can just tape the end, like tape around here, just to keep it more secure. It can stay really pretty in there if you have to like really kind of pull on it, but I would recommend taping them down. So I gave you guys a bunch of flowers. I only have 3 right now. Sorry, there's a big truck outside. I have all the windows open because it's really hot in here. So I have 3 here. I gave you guys a lot more because I gave you guys all the good ones, so I didn't have any much left. So to put these in, you can kind of place them where you think you'll like them. So I usually place them to see, like by eye, what they look like. But once you have them, I usually take a picture with my phone so I can see exactly where it is, or you can kind of just do it how you want it. So since these are on pipe cleaners, they have to be on long ones so you can get them all the way through. You kind of find where you want them, kind of open like a hole, and then you just put the pipe cleaner right in between the ring. I don't think it matters, maybe not the outer rings, maybe the inner rings. And then you flip it over, you're gonna pull the flower. Don't pull it too tight because then it'll be too too hidden in there. Just make sure it's enough to where you can't see the pipe cleaner. Once you you'll fluff it up again to where the pipe cleaner you can't see it. So I have, hold on, let me move you guys up a little bit. There you go, work out with one hand. So this looks like on the back, it's gonna be like long like that. I'm just gonna cut this a little bit. I just wanted it long just to make sure it will fit. And then when you kind of just twist it around the rings, I don't have a certain particular way to do it. I just kind of wrap it around the ring so it's nice and tight. I just want to make sure it's nice and secure and tight, so I'm going to wrap it a couple times. I don't want them to fall out. And I just twist them. So I'm going to show you up close. I literally just twisted it all over the place, but that is okay. And then there's your flower in there. So you can do it again. I'm not going to do that one. I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to show you one more time. Maybe a little bit closer. I'm just gonna put it right in this part right here. So I'm gonna open up like a little area where I can see the rings. I'm gonna put the pipe cleaner in between like the middle part of the ring. Don't put it on like the outer parts. I'm gonna flip it over, and then I'm just gonna secure it by twisting it around the rings a few times. Like I said, I don't have a particular pattern for it. Just make sure they're wrapped around. And then you can cut it too, because it doesn't need to be that long. I just want to make sure there's enough. And there you go. So there's the white flower. So that's basically it. So I hope you guys try this. The people that have the materials will try this, but if you don't have the materials, maybe you guys can find some at the Dollar Tree or wherever. They have mesh and stuff at Michael's as well, so you can do this with anything. So this is what it looks like once it's complete. I have just the 2 flowers. So that's what it looks like when it's complete. Super pretty. Sometimes the Dollar Tree, they do have the door hangers too. So you can get the door hangers as well. So that's basically it. So if you have any more questions, please give me a call at the Wreaths Library. I'm here pretty much all the time. So just give me a call if you need me to clarify anything else. I can make you another special video. If you're still not sure about a step that I mentioned, just let me know. So I hope you guys have a good day and that you're staying safe at home, and I will hopefully be doing some more adult make and take and makes. I keep saying make and takes, take and makes, for you guys to do at home with more of these videos. Let me know how I did. You can email me, you can call me, let me know if I did good or bad or medium. Trying to explain this is kind of hard on just video, so I hope you guys like it, and I will hopefully see you in the future, maybe with another video. Thank you guys and have a good day. Bye.